What's up mga kaibigan? Nung birthday ng sister-in-law ko, kumain kami sa isang seafood restaurant dito sa Butuan. It's called Aligi. And malalaman nyo din siya kung nasan siya dahil ilalagay ko ang address dito sa video and also in the description below. We actually came here with our reservation, so I would recommend na magpa-reserve kayo if ever pupunta kayo dito. Kasi open lang sila during the night. So they open starting at 6 p.m. Well, this is according when we were speaking to them in the phone. Nag-place kami ng reservation around 5. And pagdating namin, medyo madami na din ang tao. May mga bakante sa labas, pero I think most ng mga tao prefer nila kumain sa loob kasi aircon. Yung setup ng pagkain dito is parang budol fight. So may table, lalagyan nila ng plastic yung table and bibigyan nila kayo ng gloves. Sa mga ibang table na tinignan ko during the vlog, wala akong nakikitang gumagamit doon ng spoon and fork. So I'm assuming ganun talaga ang setup ng kainan doon. Kinauboy na style. So sinerve ang pagkain namin I think around 20 to 30 minutes. Yung in-order nga pala namin is the Breeze E. Pinakita ko din dito sa menu ang price para may idea na kayo before pa kayo pumunta dito. So, ang price nila para sa akin, I think, dahil mahal kasi ang seafood eh. Last time, I think, yung crab was 700 per kilo. Sa ano pa yun sa palengke. So, I would understand kung bakit napakataas ng pricing ng seafood. So, if you are going here, I think it would be best kung marami kayo para talagang marami kang makain. Mas sulit mo yung food.
Yeah, childlike creativity and humility, Lord, I need it. I'm like a fetus, cause I depend on you. This life it get deeper than swimming pool. It's a long walk like a centipede. Gotta kill my pride if I wanna see. Won't let it blind my amenities. I'm out of here to infinity and beyond. Yeah, know that when I'm weak, I'm strong. Yeah, get this power from the sun. Hey, lifestyle, not a Sunday. Dad used to tell me, son, wait, don't be in a rush to grow up too fast. Cause when you grow up, you just wanna slow down just to make all the moments last.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Puro ka nga nakatalikod doon.
According sa mga kasama ko, okay naman daw yung lasa. Ako kasi, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa seafood. I would be honest. Hindi siya part ng aking palate. So, kumakain ako but not to the point na kinakrave ko siya. Sa akin, okay yung lasa niya. Pero according sa mga kasama ko, masyado daw maalat yung sauce. So, kailangan mo talagang damihan ng rice. And I also think na baka sinasadya yan ng restaurant para mapa-order ka pa ng more rice. I think the place was really nice. It was established 3 years ago. So, magti 3 years na siya. And very aesthetic ang lugar. So, if you want more videos like this mga kaibigan, subscribe, watch my older videos. I will be posting more soon. See you in the next vlog. RLTB out. Let's go!